Hey everybody, and welcome back to a new video. It's Mike here with Mike's Drones and More. And guys, I just want to say it's early Wednesday morning. I haven't drawn the winner for the Valentine's Day giveaway. I'm going to be doing that later tonight around 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So check back later on tonight, and when I get home from work, I will be doing the drone giveaway winner. And just wanted to say real quick, apologize I don't have a normal Wednesday video up. I was up really late last night. I didn't get home till quarter to midnight. I was doing some drone racing last night. So if you guys want, look back on my videos from last night. There was 2 live ones. I was at the Moxie Theater in Greeley, Colorado. Got to fly with some really cool pilots. Got to meet, again, Jesse Perkins, the creator, owner of tinywhoop.com. I got to fly and meet with the Lunchbox FPV, which is really cool. He's a professional drone racer, and he's a really, really nice guy from Canada. He was actually down here from for the Tiny Whoop Invitational, so that was really cool. Got to meet him and everything like that. Really swell guy. And some other pilots from the normal and some newer pilots I didn't know as well. So we all had a really, really great time last night. I didn't do so well, unfortunately. There was a lot of people watching, and I was using those new thumbsticks, and sorry, my cat is photobombing me, but I was using those new sticks, and I think that may be what have thrown my flight off a little bit. New sticks, and just the pressure of everybody watching you and things like that. So I didn't fare out so well. I didn't get into the final heat. But that's okay. I still had a great fun time. Every week that I fly, I get a little bit better and a little bit better and a little bit better. So I'm thinking I might take off those thumbsticks and just go back to the stock ones and practice with those and just get used to them. So, but guys, again, apologize for no normal Wednesday video, but tonight around 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, roughly about 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, look for a live video. We'll do a live drawing, and because I have to check to make sure, 1, they're a subscriber, 2, that they're eligible to win, yada, 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 all that good stuff. So, and I apologize for the part 3 video. I'm not sure what happened. Towards the end of the night, they had the music up really loud, the background music, and I think that because that music was copyrighted music, I think YouTube may have demonetized the video and took it off the air, which is fine. I understand. Before earlier the music wasn't as loud, so it happens. It's nothing I can do, but still had a good time. So those of you that can view the video, great. Others, I've had a couple people tell me that they said they couldn't view it in this country, so I don't know what's going on there. That was kind of weird. That could be a browser setting or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, so I had a blast last night. We'll do the live drawing, and then we'll do a quick Q&A tonight since I missed today's video. I got some FPV footage from last night and some videos from last night. So I'm going to work on putting a whole big video together for you guys of the Tiny Whoop race. It was a blast. And I had one of my viewers from last night who's actually in Greeley, and I would love for him to come and meet up and check out everything. So I think we're going to be going to that location every month. So we'll see how that all fares out and everything like that. But guys, in the meantime, while you're waiting for the video tonight, let's make sure we keep our drones up in the air and flying high. And I will see you guys tonight, 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. We'll do the live drawing, and then we'll do a quick live Q&A for you guys, so everybody can see or ask questions or whatever. So I'll talk to you guys. Have a great day.